Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to fix the fingerprint sensor that fails to unlock your device. And let me explain the issue, let me explain what I want to share with you actually. So I've got my fingerprint, my index finger added to the device. I can scan it and I can unlock my device. I will try to put my finger on the sensor when the device is blocked. Let me do it. And as you can see, the device is not waking up. It is not a problem with the sensor because the sensor works, and I will show it to you in a second. But if you're the person who likes your device to immediately unlock after putting your finger on the sensor, then in a second I'll show you how to fix it. As you can see, after pressing the power button, I can unlock my device easily. Now let me share with you how to fix that problem. So let's open the settings. Right here we need to scroll down and find security and privacy, and here go to screen lock and biometrics. Then let's enter your screen lock, or basically yes, screen lock to confirm everything, and go to fingerprints. And as you can see here, we've got something which is called fingerprint always on, which means that if the device is blacked out, the fingerprint sensor does not work. And we can fix it. So just tap on it, and here you can basically choose when you want your fingerprint to be active. So on the cover screen, main screen, or both. It's up to you. I'll pick both. And obviously, I get it why the developers decided to simply turn it off by default, because this is the option that is turned off by default. It aims to avoid the accidental fingerprint scans, and I really get it. However, in my opinion, and in my personal preference, it is quite annoying that I need to press the button in order to unlock the device. So I will just set it cover and main screens. Now we can go back and let's check if it is working. So now I'm putting the finger on the sensor without pressing the power button. And as you can see, it works. So this is basically how to fix the sensor in the case that, in the situation when it is not broken, but basically it is because of the settings that were set by default by a developer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.